This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB-Bo and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
This is your favorite radio station. It's called Go MMT Radio. And on the show today with me, in the beginning of the week, is the theme of course बधाई हो. और इसीलिए ही मेरे साथ आज मौजूद है जिन्होंने बस अभी 2 से 3 महीने पहले MMT ज्वाइन किया है. Her name is Kanika Saxena. Kanika, it is so nice to have you on the show. A warm welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It's nice to be here.
Kanika, so this happens to be your third job, I believe. You've been in the working space, corporate working space for a while. And more importantly, you've been within the travel industry. That's quite cool. So you have no intention of leaving this industry.
Not at the moment. I am passionate about writing and traveling. So combining those two passions, I am very happy to be in this domain.
Lovely. Speaking of content, which is the department you're in, we're going to talk more in detail about it. But tell me something, since you love writing about travel, I'm sure you've probably managed to tick off places off your bucket list already. Can you name any one such place that you have?
I would maybe name recent places. Like I have been wanting to go to Sikkim for a long time. So last year I completed that. I ticked that off my bucket list basically.
Nice.
So yeah, there are a lot more places that are still left and more keep adding on. So I don't think one lifetime is going to be enough for all of them.
That is true. I agree. Completely agree. We will talk about many other places that you've been to and of course the ones that are still on your bucket list and how travel really is changing the mindset of people and the perspective landscape of people generally towards life. On this very show called बधाई हो, तो आपको बधाई देना चाहूंगी कि आप अभी MMT में हैं.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
हेलो ट्रिपर्स, इस फ्रेंडशिप डे पर अलाइव हेल्थ लेके आया है एक जबरदस्त मौका. अब आप अपने अलाइव हेल्थ वॉलेट का फुल पैसा यूज कर सकते हो डायग्नोस्टिक्स और फार्मेसी के लिए बिना किसी कैपिंग के. हाँ, सही सुना आपने. अगर वॉलेट में है 5,000 रुपए तो पूरा 5,000 तक का खर्चा अलाउड है. और सबसे बड़ी बात, अब आप प्रिस्क्राइब्ड मेडिसिन किसी भी फार्मेसी या केमिस्ट शॉप से खरीद सकते हो. और सुनो, रीइंबर्समेंट का विंडो खुला है अलाइव ऐप पर सिर्फ 15 दिन के लिए, 1 अगस्त से 15 अगस्त तक. तो देर मत करो, जल्दी से अपना वॉलेट यूज करो और इस फ्रेंडशिप डे पर अपने हेल्थ के साथ भी दोस्ती निभाओ. अलाइव हेल्थ के साथ.
रिज तुम में है नहीं और अपना बढ़ा लो ना. स्किबिडी सा अपना है ये गो एमएमटी रेडियो. ओहायो में हमने बनाया, 6-7 इयर्स चलेगा. लबूबू लेके बैठो, माचा पी लो, ड्रिप पहनो और सुनो गो एमएमटी रेडियो.
So what are you guys talking about?
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
This is Go MMT Radio. The show is Badhai Ho. I'm your host Annie, and today with me from the content department is Kanika Saxena. Kanika, so travel is something you love to write about. When did you decide that you're going to write about this and make this your profession?
So I have been writing, whether it's for like college publications or newsletters for a long time. And I have also been a very avid traveler from the start. Even in school, I used to take all the trips that they used to have, right? When I was looking for a job after my college, I was not really particular about the domain, but then I came across this company called Travel Triangle. And what they were looking for and what they were offering, it was very appealing to me. And honestly, when I got the job, I instantly sort of had a connection with the whole thing. Okay, this is something that, maybe I was meant for this kind of a thing, because I was very good at writing about travel. I was writing something that people could actually connect with. And considering that I myself love to travel a lot, so the ideas were always very fresh and, it was very breezy for me. It's not something I have to make a lot of effort in.
That's so cool. Well, that then brings me to the very first game that we're going to play, and it's Bollywood quiz you're going with, because I think you do have the Bollywood bug in you.
I hope so.
Okay, the one question that everybody knows, and I'm sure you do too, who is known as the king of Bollywood?
Shah Rukh Khan.
That's absolutely correct. Which actor made his debut with the film मैंने प्यार किया and rose to fame with the film बीवी हो तो ऐसी?
Yeah, Salman Khan.
Pretty much. Who played the role of Mogambo in the movie Mr. India?
Oh, Mogambo was Amrish Puri.
Yes, Mogambo was Amrish Puri. Who directed the film Lagan?
Oh, I am not aware of this, sorry.
Ashutosh Gowarikar.
Oh, okay. Never gonna forget that in my life. No.
Who sang the song Chaiya Chaiya from the movie Dil Se?
Yeah, Rahman.
No, he composed it, but who sang the song? Yeah, Punjabi singer.
Was it Sukhwinder Singh?
Yes, it was Sukhwinder Singh.
Okay.
2 more questions to go. Who played the role of Munna Bhai in the film Munna Bhai MBBS?
Sanjay Dutt.
Yes, that is absolutely correct. And the last question, which actress played the role of Piku in the film Piku?
Deepika Padukone.
That's absolutely right. You have done a good job, yeah, Kanika. Good, you picked Bollywood quiz. So, Kanika, tell me now about the love for travel. How many places, if you've got to put a number to it, you've traveled to?
So I have traveled to both domestic and international destinations. International is basically courtesy my parents because they also love to travel a lot.
Nice.
So I have been to a lot of places. In fact, I have this list where I actually, sort of like people say, okay, I am ticking these things off my, list. I have been to several places in India like Goa, Pondicherry, Coorg, Kashmir. I am still left with Ladakh and Spiti. One of my favorite places is Udaipur and Gokarna as well. When I'm talking about international travel, because that's sort of like fresh for me right now, I've been to Spain, Germany, UK, and Sri Lanka. And I've also traveled to Vienna, Budapest, Prague, this whole circuit, Other than that, I've also been to Portugal. Yeah, so these are the places I can think of right now.
Quite a long list, and I'm sure there are many, many more. And still more left since you have that travel bug also in you. And I think when it comes as a gift from your parents, there's nothing better than that, right?
I know, right?
So I believe travel has also changed the way you look at life. I mean, the way you approach things is quite different now.
It is. It has made a major impact on my life. So I am an introvert, but I have forced myself to travel solo so that I would be forced to interact with people, to be in uncomfortable situations, so that I can, it has helped me grow a lot. And I'm more comfortable around people and, talking to strangers and all that. So yeah, it has made a major impact on how I have grown and matured over the years.
Attention trippers.
जादू मेरी
नजर से याद आया, उसमें नजर भी कवर्ड है. नजर बोले तो विजन हेल्थ केयर ऑन अलाइव हेल्थ ऐप. जाके डाउनलोड करना यार, जल्दी जा.
Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
On the show with Kanika Saxena, who's from the content department, Badhai Ho is the name of the show. Now, travel is something that definitely is going to remain a part of your life. And I believe even the industry, which is why, is kind of very beautifully aligned in your life. So you're one person, I think, of the many that I have spoken to who really has everything kind of falling into place. Do you feel that about your life?
Presently, yes. I was in a very anxious phase when I was looking for a job. When I got a call from MMT, I was like, okay, the stars are finally aligned for me. So yes, currently, touch wood, I do feel that way. Yeah, I'm going to be here for a long time.
Lovely. Okay, tell me about the immersion and induction programs that I hear people speak very highly about.
Yeah, they were honestly very nicely done interactive experience. And see, I have not really worked for a lot of places, but I did hear a lot of people say, and I agree with that these are the kind of things that not many companies, take up. They don't really care about their employees enough to, do these kind of programs. So it was very commendable of MMT to come up with something like this so that they can ensure that people feel connected to each other and they know what all is going in the company and how it's, it's adding value to their lives and how they are adding value to the company as well. So that was a very well crafted, experience, both the induction and the immersion program.
Meeting with the founders and all must have been something new for you too.
Oh, that was great. And it's very nice how so many leaders from across the, teams and all, they took out time out of their busy schedules to meet with us, including the founders. And never for a moment did we feel that, people did not really want to be here. They were educating us about their departments and all. They were educating us on how things work in MMT and how things are done in different, across various verticals and all. When I had joined, I did not even have an idea. There are so many businesses that MMT is aligned with. And so that was a really refreshing, experience for me to know, okay, this is how things work here. This is how everything works together to create, one big masterpiece. And even if one of these things is not, in sync, it can, make a big impact. So yeah, that was very nice.
Oh, that's lovely. Well,
The rapid fire round.
where do fish live?
In space.
Okay. What do we use to brush our teeth?
Cupcakes.
Okay. How many fingers do we have?
11,000.
Ooh. Where do we keep food cold?
In the microwave.
What do we sleep on at night?
Water.
Okay. What is the color of the sky?
Color of the sky, I'm pretty sure, is green.
Okay. Where does the sun rise from?
It rises from the west.
Okay. What is 2 plus 3?
800.
What is the capital of India?
Beijing.
Oh, well, India is not going to be happy about that, but it is the wrong answer. So good. What is a laptop used for?
Well, I use it for sleeping, so.
All right, we've come to the end of the wrong answers only game. It was lovely. You did a good job, and I hope you enjoyed throughout the show.
I did. I had a great time. Thank you so much.
Kanika, thank you for your time and all the very best with the dreams that you have to stay here for as long as you can, to grow as much as you can. So all the very best for that.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Kanika Saxena on the show Badhai Ho on Go MMT Radio. She's in the content team from Gurgaon. Yes, it is the end of the show. It is a wrap. I will be back on Wednesday with Bade Wale Colleague, a special theme. Up until then, keep writing and updating your travel log. This is me, your host, Annie, signing off. Stay cheerful.
Go MMT Radio.
Channel your creativity and caring to bring a smile to your customer today. Hello, I am Prakash Sangam and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Hello everyone, this is Leander Pace and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT Radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT Radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo and Redbus.